Hello, my name is Alex from the Advent Label Applicator Company, and this is going to be a demonstration of the Advent 310, which is a very unique pressure-sensitive labeler. We were provided containers. These are the originals. We only received the containers. We didn't receive any labels, so what we did is we found an approximate clear label that fits nicely onto the product. It wraps around more than a couple times, but it's definitely a good way of testing the accuracy of the machine and how well it works on these small diameter containers. So the Advent 310 is a very unique pressure sensitive labeler. The three standout features are that it doesn't use air and it doesn't use a photo eye, so you could use any type of label stock, and you could use also clear labels. And we already have the machine threaded. Simply turn it on. It's just 110 volts. You go ahead and insert, and right now you could try to pull the container out, but it'd be very difficult because this is a small diameter container, so it's about ½ an inch, just a tad under ½ an inch. And what makes the 310 very unique is that it has a push-through feature. So we insert the container, and you can see the container ejects out automatically. And you can see here, we could go very, very fast because we don't have to remove that container again. And this is very unique for small diameter containers, especially small diameter products. Generally, most labelers would either require an air system, or you would have to have it has to be automated through a water wheel type system. So as you can see here, we have all the containers labeled just like that. You could probably average close to 25 to 30 containers a minute. You can see here we have the rollout feature, and you can have it roll out into a box. I had a little stop here, a parts bin. You could just put them in there. I'm just going to grab two of them right here, and you can see the label goes on very, very accurately, definitely within probably 30 seconds of an inch. And again, the standout feature is no air is required. It doesn't matter. We don't use a photo eye, so you can use both opaque and clear labels. And you have the ability to work with a very, very small diameter container. And of course, the 310 could be adjusted to go all the way up to a 1 gallon bleach type container just by adjusting this carriage knob, moving your guides, which are just simple thumb locks. And of course, we do have this these supporting white tires, which are fully adjustable. So if you have a label or a container with a recessed panel area, you could clear those high points and get the label into a recessed panel. The machine itself, it has a 2-year warranty on it. You can see it has a nice cast aluminum cover, the built-in stand, because our labels are supplied from the bottom. We have a built-in waste mandrel, which pulls up the waste material. And let's see here. And threading is fairly simple. Takes about 36 inches to feed the labels through the machine. But as you can see here, we have a very direct, simple label feed path. It just goes through these idler rollers over the peel bar, which is where the label gets separated from the backing material. And then it goes straight down to the rewind system. And you can see here we're also using a clear backing, which could be very difficult for a lot of other machines out there. And we also use induction motors, which are really nice quality, very, very reliable. So again, that's the Advent 310. And if there's any questions, we can reach at 800-846-7716. Thank you.